Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get to some entertainment news. Guys, Umusa Kaula, by now we know that he knows it all, right? So Ugai decided to write, meet Focalistic's other girlfriend, DJ Tseho. It turns out Abby Cooper is aware of this ongoing relationship, and Focalistic has convinced both DJ Tseho and Pabi Cooper into a polygamy. So do you think Kuguti these two are going to be Mr. and Mrs. Focalistic? Like Barbie Focalistic and Tseho Focalistic, and live all happily ever after in the Focalistic household with their yellow houses like the Mseleku people? Or what do you think Uguti Umusa is reaching? Because for my side, I love Barbie Cooper, and I think Uguti Barbie Cooper would not stand for such. I don't know Tseho that much, but I'm speaking on behalf of Barbie Cooper. Let me know, what do you think about the whole situation? But like, share, and subscribe.